So I'm going to talk to you guys today about Fuel Doctor and my personal experiences with it. So I've got two cars that I've used it on, a diesel Territory and the petrol V6 Volkswagen. So I noticed that during a normal service in the Territory that after giving it an oil change and filters and all that sort of thing, it wasn't the way that I remember driving it, and I didn't drive it too often, so I don't know if the condition has progressively been getting worse or it just started one day, but it's the wife's car, so she'll let me know if there was anything substantial that had changed, but I guess it had just gradually got worse to the point where I noticed it jumping in the car, driving it, and thought something's not right. So I thought, well, I'll give this stuff a try. Diesels have sometimes an issue with like a microbial or water in the fuel, that sort of thing. So I'll give this a go, see if that helps it. Did the fuel shock treatment, which is 500 ml per 100 litres of fuel. So you work out your ratio based on the size of your tank. And within a couple of 100 kilometres of driving it, all gone away. So I don't know what exactly it was, if it was water in the tank or it could have been a microbial agent that had started to grow in the diesel. It could have been maybe a dirty injector, some carbon or EGR, something like that. It goes through, lists exactly what it's supposed to do, and I guess it did exactly what it was supposed to do. So I thought to myself, I'll give it a go on my petrol engine. Now I noticed with the Volkswagen, every now and again when you prolonged idle, so say you're at a set of lights or something or stuck in traffic and you're just idling for a long period of time, it'll develop a little bit of a misfire. And I thought, well geez, that's odd because it's recently had new coil packs and new spark plugs put through it. So I was wondering what this problem was, right? Put this stuff in there and seemed to go away within a few hours of driving it. So I guess that hours, I mean, that's probably 3 or 4 trips to and from work, mind you, so there's probably 200 Ks involved in that, at least. So, you know, give it a try. If you think you're having some problems maybe with a dirty injector or a bit of carbon buildup or something like that, there's lots of fuel injector cleaners to choose from. This ticks a lot of stuff that some of the others don't. And plus it's quite handy to buy in a bulk pack, so ongoing maintenance wise, once you've cleaned it out with that shock treatment, if you like, you only need 25 ml per 100 litres to keep it clean or keep it maintained, I guess. So that's probably about that much in a full tank of fuel, and this would last months and months and months. So I found it was good. Will it work in your situation? Give it a go. You know, what's the worst that could happen? There's no reason why. You can't overuse this. You have to really be doing something wrong to overuse this. It won't foul up plugs or anything like that. That's what it says. So yeah, look, give it a go, and I'm sure you'll be as impressed as I am.